In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily remove someone from Snapchat group chat. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Snapchat app. Then right here tap at chats, and then let's filter my conversation by groups in that way. Then get into some group, and after that tap right here at that group's name. That will show you all the group members right here, and if you want to remove some members from the group, all you have to do is just hold down on that member and then just tap at remove from group and then confirm it. That's it. If you don't see that remove from group feature here, it probably means that you should update your Snapchat app to the latest version. So open up App Store or Google Play, then search for Snapchat, just like that. And then just make sure that this button says open. If it says update, just hit on it and wait for the update process to complete. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Snapchat tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.